Okay, guys, the question arises, how can we see things? Come on, just tell me, how can we see things? Someone is saying we can see with the help of our eyes. Yeah, you are absolutely right. We can see things with the help of our eyes. But do you know that? Who enables our eyes to see around us? Oh, yeah, light. So you can say that the most important thing is the light who enables our eyes to see around us. For this, we can perform a simple experiment. Suppose that here is a room in which a person, a table lamp, and a chair is present. If you switch off the light, are you still able to see something in the room? Yes or no? Of course not. Even I am not able to see anything in this room. But when we switch on the light, we are able to see in the room. In the room, we can see that a table lamp, a chair, and a person is present. Is it clear? And now we will discuss the actual phenomena, how this person is able to see in the room. Let's start. Okay, guys, when this person switch on the lamp, the light rays from the lamp, they spread all over in the room. Some of the light rays, they travel and enter into the eye of this person. So in this way, this person is able to see the lamp. Some of the light rays, they fall on the surface of the chair, and as you know that the chair is an opaque object, so it doesn't allow the light to pass through it. So the light rays, when they fall on this chair, they reflect back. Some of the portion of the light rays, they from the chair, when they reflected back, they enter into the eye of this person. So in this way, this person is able to see the chair also. Is it clear? When some of the light rays, they travel from the lamp and enter into the eye of the person, in this way the person is able to see the lamp like this, because chair is an opaque object, as well as chair is a non-luminous object, so it doesn't produce its own light. So when the light rays from the lamp, they fall on this chair, as it is also an opaque object, so it doesn't allow the light to pass through it, and the light rays, they reflected back into the room. Some of the light rays, some of the portion of the light rays, they reflected back and enter into the eye of the person. In this way, the person is able to see the chair. So you can say that non-luminous object produces the light with the help of luminous object. So we can see the non-luminous objects as well. Is it clear? This is the actual phenomena of how can we see things, and this phenomena is also called the reflection of light. What does it call? It is also called the reflection of light. Is it clear?